2017 Ford Mustang V6. You know, guys, my favorite color, blue. Really beautiful car. Got factory converters there and there. Then it wise into, not wise, I'm sorry. Then it had a resonator on it over there. Right there. We cut off and now it's true dualed with an X pipe. There's the X pipe. There's 2 1/4 pipe, and it's continued 2 1/4 all the way back. And somebody else did a muffler delete a while back. I don't know who, but we'll show it to you guys. So it's basically straight pipe, true dual with an X pipe. There it is. Tell us what you guys think. There's the X pipe setup. Ford Mustang V6 true dual. Make sure you guys subscribe if you like it. Again. Woo! Man, that's loud. It's like earwax shit. Woo! Again. There you go. 119. That's crazy. There's the mid resonator we deleted. Dual in, dual out. So now it's true dual with an X pipe. You always want to put an X pipe when you can, unless you want it obnoxiously loud, because the X pipe equalizes the back pressure and takes a little bit of the rasp away, as you guys can hear. Really beautiful Mustang. Not too bad for a V6. Let's you guys hear on the inside. Mustang 2017. True dual straight pipe.